Good morning, students. We have to continue online class, second year maths, and then subject is mathematical statistics 1, normal distribution, importance of normal distribution. Number 1, most of the distribution assuming in practice. Example, binomial, Poisson, hypergeometric distribution, etc. can be approximated by normal distribution. Number 2, many of the distributions of sample statistic. Example, the distribution of sample mean, sample variance, etc. tends to normality for large sample, and as such they can best be studied with the help of normal curve. Next, third one, normal distribution finds large applications in statistical quality control, in industry for setting control limits. Next, uniform distribution. Definition: a random variable is said to follow a continuous rectangular uniform distribution over an interval a, b. There is minus infinitive less than a is less than b is less than infinitive if its probability density function is given by f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a if a is less than x less than b. This is the definition of uniform distribution. Next definition, geometric distribution. Definition: a random variable x is said to have a geometric distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its property mass function is given by p of x is equal to q power x into p. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. infinitive, q equal to 1 minus p. Next, 0 otherwise. Next definition, exponential distribution. Definition: a random variable x is said to have exponential distribution with parameter theta. Theta is greater than 0 if its probability density function is given by f of x is equal to theta into e power minus theta x. X is greater than or equal to 0. Next, 0 otherwise. The cumulative distribution function f of x is given by f of x is equal to integral varies from 0 to x f of u into du equal to theta into integral varies from 0 to x e power minus theta into u into du. F of x is equal to 1 minus e power minus theta x. X is greater than or equal to 0. Next is 0 otherwise. This is the definition of exponential distribution. Next, moment generating function of exponential. Mx of t is equal to exponential of e power xt is equal to integral varies from 0 to infinity e power xt into f of x into dx is equal to integral varies from 0 to infinity e power tx into theta into e power minus theta x into dx. That means f of x value is theta into e power minus theta x. Substituting these values and then value is equal to theta into integral varies from 0 to infinity e power minus x into theta minus t into dx is equal to theta by theta minus t is equal to 1 minus theta by t equal to 1 minus t by theta whole inverse. So is equal to mu r dash equal to coefficient of t power r dividing by r factorial in mx of t. R equal to 1 mu 1 dash equal to coefficient of t by 1 factorial in mx of t is equal to 1 by theta is equal to mean 1 plus t by theta plus t square by theta square plus t cube dividing by theta cube plus etc. Mu 2 dash equal to coefficient of t square dividing by 2 factorial into m in mx of t is equal to 2 by theta square. So mu 2 equal to formula is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square is equal to mu 2 dash value is 2 by theta square minus mu 1 dash value is 1 by theta whole square is equal to 2 by theta whole square 2 by theta square minus 1 by theta square is equal to 1 by theta square. Next one, additive property of binomial distribution. It is assumed that x and y are independent. Mx of t equal to q plus p e t power whole power n1. My of t equal to q plus p e power t whole power n2. M of x plus y of t equal to mx of t into my of t. So is equal to q plus p e power t whole power n1 into q plus p e power t whole power n2 is equal to q plus p e power t whole power n1 plus n2. So x plus y equivalence beta of n1 plus n2 comma p. In general, if xi of I equal to 1 to n or n independent variables such that xi equivalents beta of ni comma p. So x1 plus x2 plus etc plus xn equivalents beta n1 plus n2 plus etc nk comma p. Thank you students.